I went to the file, copy all to the device. Again, it says you have not read those, so let's read all. It is reading. When the reading is complete, I hope that will not appear that error again. Okay, we have everything read, so this time I try to copy all to the device. Now it's starting working. It is copy all to the device, seems it is done. So now if I go to the device, you can see the blue colored, like highlighted with the blue means those are changed. Everything that everywhere you can see like means those have changed. Yeah, I have the same. You see the settings and everything is changed. I have the protections here. Okay, let's write it now to the write it to the relay. So we have write view. We can write only this view that we have, or write all. I want to write all. During the process, the device may restart a number of times. Do you want the number of times depends on how many functions you need that you have in your program. We have 2. I think a one-time restart will be fine. So let's say OK, and it will start writing. Yes, it might take few minutes, and after that we can check. It should work like the previous one. The push buttons should deactivate the lahkulüliti and activate it back. And the mimic also that we had need to come here also. Mimic is what you can see here, like this entire screen, what is showing, it's called mimic. And we can design what we want to show there. That is, let me show, where's the mimic? Here. In the general, this is the mimic that I had like made. So this one should be here. We have right now object 4 and object 1. As you can see, this is the manduslulliti of vuimsuslulliti. Here, the lahkulüliti is not here. For adding that from these tools, I have to add the switch, like one of these ones, for example. I have to add there and then connect it to the object. But this will be in the future tasks. Right now, I don't want to start those. So when I'm waiting for this to load, and then we will after loading is completed and the relay restarts, it will show this screen that we have here. Okay, now the like uploading is completed. You can see here I have the same screen appeared here, and if I press the button, it will do the same. So that was how you download the program from one relay and copy it to another relay. So just the name, for example, I just want to change the name in the general system info. Here's like sublocation feeder, you see substation 6. I want to make it 4. And when I make it 4, this highlight shows that it is like change it. Now I don't want to reset entire the reading mimics. This is not completed yet. I am waiting for this to be complete. Okay, substation 4 right now. I changed the name, and I want to just upload the view. Write the view instead of write all, because it takes a long time. I would put just write view, and that's done. And the blue is not here anymore. So the substation is 4. the sublocation view. These are the information that you will like get depending on the where the relay is, what task it is like completing. So we have two tasks here, two protection functions. One is this phase over current, ANSI 50, 51, 67, and 1 is for the grounding, I think it was. And then over voltage 59-1